Hey, this is just a quick video to show you what it is you're supposed to do with this thing. So on the Sloposcope activity, click on Explore and Test, and then up here it says f of x equals. Start out with the sign of x, and what you'll do down here, this little slider, this is x equals a, and a is just changing. A is starting out somewhere around -6 and moving along. You're moving it along. And what you're watching up here on the curve is a little tiny tangent line. You can see how the tangent lines are changing. You're watching the slope of that tangent, those tangent lines, getting plotted down below. So whatever the slope is there is the y-coordinate down here on this curve. So notice when you're changing the slopes and they get plotted down here, you can see over here exactly what that slope is. So when I'm starting out, it looks like the slope is positive, almost positive 1, 0.96 over 1. When I move along and I get to here, right about there, that is about slope 0. You can see over here, it's really tiny. It should be about 0. And down here, yeah, the y-coordinate looks like it's 0. So you're plotting the slopes of these little tangent lines down here, and this is the derivative function. So when you do that with sine of x, observe what the derivative graph looks like, and then do it again for cosine. Go back up here for f of x and change it to cosine of x and do the same thing. Watch the slopes of those tangent lines get plotted down below, and you'll see what the graph of the derivative of the cosine looks like. Then, when you're done playing around with it, you think you know what the derivative of the sine is and what the derivative of the cosine is, go over here on the right. There's a couple of exercises you can do just to check your understanding, okay? So, to check your understanding of what the activity was helping you do and understand. All right, so that's the activity I want you to do before you watch all the other videos on that page. And we will discuss the results and answer questions in class, and I'll see you in some other video.